Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. Do you remember the last time you listened to music? Did you earn any money? I am sure that we all enjoy listening to music. We do it while driving, hanging out with friends, etc. But what if I told you that by just clicking a button, every time you listen to any song on your computer or mobile device, you could earn money? Pay attention to this video because I'll explain everything. You heard me right. You may make a lot of money online using this strategy if you watch every single second of this video and discover how to make a passive income from home, so be sure to do so to understand everything there is to know about it. Let's return to the video now. We'll use a website called RadioEarn.com. Select the top search result from this page to visit RadioEarn.com right away. This website lets you get paid for doing nothing more than listening to the radio. Many individuals are already familiar with the renowned RadioEarn.com website. As you can see, there are just 4 straightforward steps, making it very easy to use. You may create a new account on this website and start making money in less than 5 minutes. High compatibility. The option to personalize your radio, extensive data, a straightforward method to swap your points, and the flexibility to cash out whenever you want are just a few of the fantastic things that they have on this website that you will undoubtedly appreciate. You can utilize the service from anywhere in the world for nothing at all. Additionally, you have the option of receiving payment via bank transfer, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. You can view live listener statistics from all across the world right here. Visit this sign up button to create a free account on this website. Numerous users from all over the world are currently using the website to listen to music while earning money. Here, you may zoom in and out to see how many people are now making money. You can zoom in and out to see how many people are currently making money. On this page, enter your chosen username, first and last names, email address, and password before completing the CAPTCHA and clicking the register button. You've now successfully created a personal account, logged in, and reached your dashboard. Go to the Start Earning part of your dashboard and choose to listen to the radio once there. Every few minutes of listening, you will receive a reward. The points you earn will be added to your account, where you can later exchange them for real money. However, you must first enter your payment information on this page in the settings section before you can start earning money using this method. Simply provide the login information for your PayPal account or any other preferred payment method. If you have a business, in which case just go ahead and form a personal account to save future hassles, click the sign up button and be sure to create a personal account rather than a business one because having a PayPal account makes it easier to get paid for many websites. Simply click on this button to start listening and getting paid. Simply click this play I came over here link to open a new tab, and the music will start playing right away. The great thing about this approach is that once the required number of minutes has gone, you can switch to another station while it is still playing in the background. Try this platform right away to start earning money. It's really easy to use. Cash4minutes.com should be the next website you visit. With the incredibly innovative service Cash4minutes.com, you can get money just by using your phone to make calls and listen to music. Over 165,034 individuals utilize this service to make money by listening to music, and they have already distributed over £11 million since their start. All you have to do is register on this page. They will send you an email confirmation when you sign up to confirm your account. You can learn how to generate money on this website when you join in, so be sure to read it to become familiar with the platform's code of conduct. When you reach the payment threshold, don't forget to add your payment method to the website so that you can get paid. You ought to use hitpredictor.com as well. Before it is made available to the general audience, you will get compensated to write new music after you check in. After you've finished listening, a link will take you to a page where you can comment and review the music of the artist. As you listen to music on our website, you can accumulate points that can then be converted into money. Visit musicxray.com to listen to music brands, rate their songs, and get paid to do so. By uploading their songs to the portal and gaining followers, artists who want their music to be known can advertise themselves through Music X-Ray and develop a global fanbase. To listen to the music of your choice, you will register as a music fan. You can get paid by the website to hear the music of these up-and-coming artists. Although Music X-Ray is an easy website to use, there are a few things to consider before you start. To begin with, you are not allowed to listen to music for less than 30 seconds because you will not be compensated. Second, you will be compensated for the tune you listened to whether you choose to become a fan or decline after hearing it. Additionally, by regularly switching up your musical tastes, you'll get access to new tracks and song suggestions. Users can utilize PayPal to cash out their payments from Music X-Ray. You can cash out multiple times, and the minimum payout threshold is $20. That's it for today. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.